Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So we're gonna continue in this LangGraph series. We have played with the graph last time. We have compiled everything, the states, conditional edges, nodes, and the tools. But we have used invoke. So this time we're gonna focus into the other methods, which are stream method and the batch method, and see the different advantages. So this is the graph we have used last time. We used the invoke, which is the synchronous single output, single input, while the stream, in the stream the advantage is that you can see every step, while the batch you can send multiple inputs and get a list of outputs. Let's use this method, the stream method. So we're going to modify the graph that we had last time. We're going to modify the end, the final state. So by watching the previous video, you can just get the code, you've run it, you played with it, you did your homework, and this time you will be able to follow along by using this for loop. So for step in app dot, I'm going to use the method stream. Let's add a counter. Let's see how we're going to format the output. So just some little modifications of the code. So let's put the step. I'm going to use a F string just to format it. Let's add the count here maybe. So we have a step number. And we're going to use this line here to increment the count. So we have double quotes. Let's pretty bad to single quote here. Perfect. Let's try first run to see if we modified it correctly. So what we expect here is to have every step, at each step, to see what is the output or what's happened. Okay, so key error messages. Okay, not all the steps are outputting a message. So this time we need to maybe just put a condition. Let's just say if there is a message, print it with a message. If there's no message, just print the step, and we will be able to see what is in the step. After, you can refine that by extracting what you need to extract from the object. Okay, so if there is a message in the step, print the content of that message, of that last message. Otherwise, just print the step. Just for consistency, let's put here double quotes. Okay. And let's run it again. So here we're using the query with SF, which is San Francisco. So we should get 60 degrees as an answer. So we got the step 1, step 2, and step 3. This one here is just, we need to comment it out. It's from the previous example. Let's go back to it. So we have here the agent message, and after here we have the tool which has been called, and we get the tool message which is rendered by the agent. And we got the weather is 60 degrees. Let's change this for Tokyo, just to see that it works, and we have those steps. And the tool is used correctly. So this is a good way to use Stream, so you can see where you need to improve, at which node you need to improve your code. Here we go, 60 degrees here. For Tokyo, we have the 91 from our dummy tool. Okay. That's good. So we're going to work on the batch. We're going to modify the code. We're having a break, and let's talk about the grass and use the referral code. So this is the code in red if you want to use it, but just about the referrals steps. If your friend invite another friend and so on, so it's a 20%, 10%, 5%. And they also introduced the wallet, Solana wallet. So this project is going into the right direction. Let's use now the batch method. We keep going. We're gonna call it batch state. We're gonna use the batch method, app.batch. So not much to modify from what we have from the invoke. Just gonna use a for loop. That new variable result. Print the result. So for result in the batch state, I just want to print the result. So here we have one message. We're going to put in a list, several messages, very simple ones, just changing the city. We know what to expect. That's the best way to try to test and to familiarize yourself with a new framework. Let's print maybe two more. Like that, we're gonna be loading two extra messages. One is gonna be referencing San Francisco, and the other one's just random cities in Japan. Okay, so that is good with a batch state. So just imagine now that you can load several messages. You have 1,000 different messages. You pass it through your graph. You want to implement a graph which is going to test any logic that you have. And you're going to get a list of answers matching those 1,000 queries, which is interesting. So it's a good way to improve your prompts, to also know what you're gonna get from different queries, to work on a data set also, for example. If you want to create a data set of input outputs, you see here we got the three outputs coming, corresponding to those inputs in the same order Alright, so you've seen here how to use the stream method and the other method, which is the batch method. So now you have different solutions to test more and play with it, waiting for the next video coming. So I'm gonna stop here. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.